What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, this video is just as much for me as it is for you. So if you're tired of your iPhone footage looking like garbage every time you import it into Premiere, here's how to fix it. So first up, we're gonna import our footage into Premiere. And then you can drag your footage onto the sequence to start a new sequence. And then what we're gonna wanna do is starting with the sequence settings. So my time base is 30 frames per second. And then I like to change my codec to H.264 and then make sure to check maximum bit depth and then go over to the color management tab and make sure that your working color space is Rec 709. And you want to make sure that your auto tone map media is selected. Then select OK, select OK again. Next up, we're going to change some settings in Lumetri Color. Select your first image. And then the settings tab, we'll expand this. So you're gonna wanna make sure you have these settings selected. You can choose any one of these three settings here, whichever one looks best. So in this case, I felt like 300 looked the best. And then your viewer gamma, you're gonna wanna make sure you have 1.96 QuickTime selected. Auto tone map media, and then the hue preservation. I like to turn the exposure down to -1.5. Okay, and then for your export settings, you can start with YouTube 2160 4K, and then from there, expand your video. I like to use render at maximum depth. Want to make sure that this number is 2 times the frame rate. Then that's it, you can export your footage.